The main time I write is when I journal because I'm trying to help solve a problem in my life. The first thing I did in this project was explore my iTunes and try to find songs that represent my feelings about how and why I write. Taylor Swift does an excellent job about writing when she's hurt, so I chose 2 of her songs to explain how being upset is a catalyst for my writing.
All you're ever gonna be is mean. Why you gotta be so mean? You, with your switching sides and your wildfire lies and your humiliation, you have pointed out my flaws again as if I don't already see them.
And then another song.
All this time I was wasting hoping you would come around. I've been giving out chances every time and all you do is let me down. And it's taken me this long, baby, but I figured you out. And you're thinking we'll be fine again, but not this time around.
I wanted to add more positive songs as well because learning from the past and being positive and hopeful is just as important. This is a Christian song I chose because it's uplifting.
Try to put the pieces together, but perfection is my enemy, and on my own I'm so clumsy, but on your shoulders I can see I'm free to be me.
This is a more fast-paced and upbeat song, which is why it was one of the ones I wanted to end with. Here I'm showing you how to get the YouTube codes onto my project. Next, after getting the embedded codes from YouTube, I decided creating a 2-column chart would work best for my layout. I switched to the plain text formatting, and then I copy and paste the YouTube embedded video after the first TD marking, and then for the second column I write a description for what I want to be there. After switching back to the HTML, you can see what the 2 columns look like. If you want to make the video smaller, switch back to plain text and adjust the width and height measurements to make it smaller. Lastly, I went back through the lyrics and found meaningful ones that helped me write my explanations. Sometimes when I'm upset, there's a phrase that I can't get out of my head, and I like to repeat it or write it down to try to figure out why it's stuck in my mind and why it means so much to me. Overall, journaling is very therapeutic for me, where I can write freely to sort out my problems. I go through the steps of being angry or sad, but when I finish, there's a feeling of acceptance and understanding. The songs I chose represent how I feel and what I write about throughout this process.